What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. In case you guys missed my very last video, go ahead and click right here. I shared a lot of new Halloween items and a lot of new fall items. They also have Halloween cards over here, but I just noticed some additional fall items that I know you guys wouldn't want to miss. This right here is definitely new. Autumn time, sweet home, cute little pillows. We also have these that are new, little metal wall art. And then we have these as well. And it's just basically the fabric over a foam pumpkin. Lots of fall picks. We have this little one that says grateful and harvest. These are definitely new. These would be cute little like bag tags. We also have some brand new fall berry picks. We also have monogram leaves, some baker's twine in fall colors, 20 yards, sort of a khaki green, burgundy, orange, and a brown. Each one is paired with white. And then these berry picks are new also. I saw these ones last week, but all these other ones are new to me. The cute little sunflowers. And I love these. These are so adorable. I think some of these wreath forms are new as well. The wagon wheel. We have a 3D wreath form. That's definitely new. The shamrock, the heart. Yeah, you guys, if you are really into fall decor or you are a fall crafter, you definitely want to run into Dollar Tree. There is a lot to look at. Ooh, I like these fuzzy picks. We also have some Halloween picks. We also have this brand new display, Day of the Dead. They added the little succulents in the pot. The candles. Flour sack towels, scarves, signage. Let's appreciate this end cap for just a second because I just love all the pretty pastel colors. It's so cute. Okay, what can we find that's new? The thrill of the hunt. Brookstone nail clippers. Ooh, these are heavy and nice. Nice. Might have to get one of those. There's a large and a small. This location has a lot. It has a whole lot to look at. NYX items, Elf, Maybelline, Wet n Wild, all of the Be Color products that are new. I'm not seeing anything new except for these. Oh, we also have the brand new Brookstone tweezer set as well. I think I'd like to get one of each. Pretty nice. For $2.50. That was the story last week. Not much new makeup. And it looks like that's going to be the story this week too. Let's see if we have any new items behind us. They have the brush buddies. Anything else? Lots of toothbrushes. Brands like Reach, Oral-B. Lots of kids' brushes. What's this? Pico. Effervescent powder for solution for upset stomach. Those are definitely new. They still have, I think these are the big bottles. Yeah, these are the big bottles, 100 caplets per bottle. This is a dupe for Tylenol Extra Strength. That's a lot of product for $1.25. We have some lip balms, vanilla bean, orange dreamsicle, one that's called Sweater Weather, and cranberry cheers. Okay. The Pure Silk razors are back. The Bic razors are back. They have the anti-chafe glide sticks. I'm really surprised that I'm not seeing more new items, but we have another aisle to search for these new items, and that's where we're about to go. Hopefully we can find some new items down this aisle. Purple shampoo knocks out brassy tones in blonde and gray hair. We also have Clean Repair Argan Oil Shampoo. Oh, I've been hearing about this. PS Clean Beauty Leave-In Conditioner for curls. Sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free, phthalate-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. And then we have the volumizing shampoo. We have the hair mask. We have the ultra hydrating shampoo. We have the gentle shampoo. You guys, I just found this Rooted Rituals ginger root and aloe silicone-free conditioner, safe for color-treated hair. I know these products cost way more everywhere else. I'm about to do a quick search for these. Again, this brand is Clean Beauty, and this brand is Rooted Rituals. So I can't wait to see how much they're worth. I mean, that's where we get our true value here at Dollar Tree. When we look it up and we realize, wow, that's like a $10 shampoo or conditioner. That's where the true value comes in. Anyways, you guys, this video is getting long. I'm going to start another one. So definitely come back to my very next video and see what else I found that's brand new in Dollar Tree. I'm just finding lots of new items now that I'm down the hair care aisle, which is super nice because some of my other locations have been stocked really low on hair care, but this location actually has a lot of it. So I'm happy to see that. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you would like to join the Bunny Birdy Gator family, I'd love to have you. All you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe and join the family. All right, you guys, I'm out of here and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.